Welcome guys to our video, what to do after building your computer. So we will start with the motherboard. We need to know what the brand of our motherboard. So as I have here a picture from my motherboard that I have currently now, you can see here mostly the brand and the model number. So sometime will be in this area and sometime will be in this area in the middle of the motherboard. So for this model we can see it's Gigabyte model X399 Designer EX. Okay, so we will go to Google, then search for that X399 Designer. We will choose the website that for our company. For this case we have our company is Gigabyte. We may have to make sure that this is our company Gigabyte. Then the model of the motherboard X399 Designer EX. Okay, click on that. Okay, next we'll go to support. Then now we are in downloads. We will choose the OS for the driver. What we have currently is Windows 10 64-bit. After we choose, we will find that we have 15 drivers for download. First we'll start with the audio. Okay, this is the latest one. We can click here to download it. Okay, then save. It will go to downloads automatically. Second thing will be the chipset, which is the important part. We will click here for download. Onward is the LAN. We will click here, it's LAN driver. We will click here. For some newer motherboards you will find also Wi-Fi driver, so we can click here to download the Wi-Fi driver. Okay, onward there is RAID driver, so we are not using it for this demo, so no need. So next is maybe another wireless LAN driver we can download also. Then onward it's the BIOS, if you plan to upgrade your BIOS, and some utilities. We can choose only App Center. Okay, for this demo. Save. Okay, now we are done. Now all drivers are downloaded already, so we will start to extract them. Select all, extract each archive to separate folder. Then we can delete this one. Okay, important thing now to start with the processor driver, which is, as here for now my processor is Ryzen, so we will start with this driver, which is the chipset driver. Yes. As you see it now, installing AMD Ryzen driver. Okay, accept and express install. Okay, he asked me to restart now. For now, we will not restart. We just click close. Then we will continue installing other drivers. Okay, now no matter which driver we install, so we just choose another one. Yes. Audio driver. Next. Okay. He asking also to restart, so we will click no for now. Okay. Next one. Looks like the LAN driver. Okay. Installing drivers and software. Next. Okay. Next. Install. Okay, he's done. We click finish. Then click X. We're done with this one. Then next driver. Okay, I think he's done. Next driver, the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi program. Okay. The App Center. Now we almost done with the part 1, installing the motherboard drivers. Okay, next. Finish. It's done. Okay, we are done now with part 1 with the motherboard, graphic card drivers. Okay, now we are downloading and logging to the GeForce Experience. So we will go to the drivers tab. Then we will choose here from the drivers tab. We'll choose Express installation. Then automatically he will find the drivers, the right drivers for our graphic card, and start downloading and installing. Okay, yes. As we see here, he's mentioning installing graphics drivers. Now come to part 3, which is installing softwares. It's the easy part. You just go to filehippo.com. Then you will find under popular here, you will find all the important software that need to be downloaded. For example, VLC, Media Player 64-bit, Google Chrome, uTorrent, WinRAR 64-bit, Mozilla 64-bit for Windows, BitTorrent, VLC 32-bit. So you will download the software that you need, or if you can found, you can search by category or by search from here, then download, then install, which is next. So like this will be done your installation. Thank you for watching and hope this solve your problems. For any other problems, you can put it down and comments, then we will reply to you. Thank you. Bye.